Where you about to go?
All right, man. Guys, I'm getting ready to. Actually, this is our first trip together, ain't it?
Yeah.
Mac.
And
so
like,
me and my son is getting ready to go to. This will be our first trip together, guys. So we're getting ready to go to Las Vegas, Sin City. I know that's a good place to go to for your first to go on the first one or your first trip to Sin City, but hey man, it's all good. But hey, I'm just kidding, guys. Now we are going to Las Vegas, but we're going for a whole different reason. We're not going to gamble, we're not going to play around, stuff like that. We're going to do two things. Well, actually probably three things. Number one, we're going to the Home Builder Show. And number two, I'm taking some students, I'm taking some Lawson students there so that we can learn how to engage operations with two-year college and the other colleges that's in the builder competition are four-year colleges. I have an opportunity for us to kind of see how those guys operate so that we can go in next year and take the trophy. But hey, one major thing that you get out of this right here is going to be these students, and thanks guys to the Home Builders Association, the Greater Birmingham Association of Home Builders and the National Association of Home Builders for sponsoring me to take 4 of my students out to Las Vegas to go to this home builder show. But not only that, just to be able to go and try to learn how to compete in the builder competition. So that's a good thing, guys. And I suggest everybody, man, if you guys are aspiring builders, I think that number one, the first thing you should do is I would build my own home if I'm gonna get into this game, just because, just things are so weird now. You gotta really learn. There's so many unknowns that you're gonna have to learn and figure out. So that's number one. But once you try to dig into this building industry, I know the dogs just keep barking, don't they? Once you dig into this building industry, I think that the next thing to do, guys, is to join your local Home Builders Association. Here in Birmingham is the Greater Birmingham Association of Home Builders. But I would join that. If you join the local Home Builders Association, that puts you in the state Home Builders Association as well as the National Association of Home Builders. So you become a member of all of them. And guys, I'll tell you one thing that has helped me for the most part is me being in that organization, in that association, and being able to engage with people that have similar interests that I have, which is construction. And not just builders, guys. You're gonna meet all the guys in all the different trades as well. I can't tell you how important that exposure and being exposed to different people who's going in this thing, black, white, blue, green, doesn't matter. They're all in this thing. We have one common interest, and that's to build houses and to provide value to people. And that's the name of the game. So this is what we got. We about to check this out, guys. It's gonna be a different, it's gonna be totally different for me. I kind of stay in my own little zone here in Birmingham, but guys, we got to get out and see other things, see other products and stuff like that. You got any questions, Mac?
Nope. I'm good.
All right, man. More to come.
Yeah, it look like we finally made it up in here. Too many lights. Too much stuff going on, man, for me. I don't think I can do this too much longer.
It's like 9:42. It's probably 12 o'clock out. All right, guys, we're here, guys. You can see this right here, man. I've never seen so much building stuff like going on in my life. I think this is where all builders need to be right now, I think.
And then we have other factories that do other foam products, but those are the closest ones to you guys. And that's plenty close for freight to get it, make it affordable for you. I know she's.
Hey Rod, if you guys want to go look at something, you just holler at me, folks. Yeah, y'all just holler at us, man. Hey, you stay with us, man. We're gonna go to lunch in a minute. I've been preaching this thing that the guns don't, the battery power just ain't there yet, but it really is.
Yeah, you got.
Because you saw how fast he was doing that.
You do it back like that.
This is, we got some food right there. Right here is see this? So this is it. It's that. This, I guess this. Yeah, that's right here. Really? That's what I want. John T, can we follow you?
Yeah, let me see this right here.
All right, guys, we fixing it. This right here is the student competition, student builder competition, man. You know, next year we're gonna have some jackets like that right there, man. I got some T-shirts. I'm getting to pull the T-shirts out. That's Mr. Brown. How you doing, Mr. Brown? All right, guys, remember you got this from me. This is the future of home building, guys. Build these modulars. Guys, it takes around 2 weeks to do one of these things here. You got less than 2 weeks. Turn this thing around. You can come in here and you can build one of these things out to look like this here.
You know, they really have to be.
You build this thing out. This is what it looks like.
You gotta love that. Come in here, I'll show you this.
This is where construction is going, guys.
And so, but I was talking about a small battery on board to help consistency.
World of product, guys. All over. And that would be more what I'm talking about right there. That's yeah. You got let's go check this right here out. Huh?
The field went out too. They got sitting on top of it.
Okay. I'm gonna come back and get them. I want to look at this right here. This is what I was talking about. I think this is the future of home. That go your container homes right there. Everybody been talking about that.
Shipment container.
Yeah. Let's. All right, guys. We had the student competition, the builder show. Now we got coming up next Tuskegee. Shout out to Dr. Fluker. Put some kind of money in doing this right here, man. freaking dream, man. Oh, big dog. It's gonna be a dream. I may wake up and literally see that. You don't need no blinds no more, baby.
That's 8 inches of glass with a reflective shade.
Yeah, so some people are like, I don't want to see the screws and guts.
How long I can stay freaked out with that shit? My friend's like, no, dude, stare up. How many light bulbs are there?
Holy shit. Let's strip down that way. Oh, man. Hey, man. Well, this is, oh man, let's go down there. Let's go on. Hey, you see that? You see that part down there? Let's go. Yeah, let's go down there. That's all the painting, guys. It's dark outside. It almost looks like a real sky. You know, oh man, look at that. That's one of the gods and stuff. All the different gods up there. Damn. They got all the gods up there. The Greek.